Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we've been out driving around a little bit. We were in Tarlac the other day, did a mall video, quickly ran by home, picked up the new gimbal. I don't know if you caught that, but our gimbal that we had last few months, due to my own fault, I overcharged it and it actually quit on me. So we had to wait for a new one to come in, but it finally came in yesterday. We picked it up at home, and now today we are in Limay, and there is music and party and all kinds of things going on here today. So we're just going to take a little short walk and walk down, watch the traffic here, huh? Should we walk down to the harbor? Anyway, we'll give you a little view of the street. So we are in Limay, which is in the peninsula of Bataan province. And here's what you got going on. Even in this village, you don't see much of the ocean right here, but we are going to take a little walk down here. Let's go, and then we'll get down to the fishing where they keep the boats and everything. They have been out fishing this morning and came back, and we are getting to have some of the fish fresh, sardines. But anyway, this is a typical little fishing village, and walking down the aisles here, we have actually had a lot of subscribers giving us heads up on there. They're from here, live in the United States and around the world, overseas workers, and they recognize the village. So we're just going to do a little one today. Hello everybody.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Okay lang.
Good. But this is how a lot of Filipinos are living, and here we are getting into a little music. So we'll see if we get a copyright on this one. They just love to karaoke. Every corner has one. Hello everybody.
Hello, kumare, kumpare.
Alright, so we are approaching the harbor. And we're just going to stay down here for a couple of minutes and show you guys around. And here we have a lot of boats, for sure. And this is where Janice's uncle actually has a couple of boats down here, so they go fishing. Unfortunately, he wasn't home. We just surprised him and dropped by, and he wasn't home. And we just got into Limay, surprised him. He is up in Zambales and doing some fishing, so we might go and do that. And here we got some fish up for drying, I think. And here we're down at the harbor with the chickens and roasters, and here we got a little roaster. Pretty one. Are you a pretty one? A pretty little roaster. All right. They keep them far away from each other so they can't fight.
Sorry, very dirty here.
Hey, it's all right. You know, I'm used to it. It's Filipino life.
Very
It's fit.
dirty.
Yeah, yeah. There's one thing I'm looking at when I come here is like, why don't we pick up the garbage? You know, that would make it
Your
so
first
much
time
more.
here or
Huh?
second time?
Oh, I've been here many. We've been here many times.
Many times?
Yeah, we. Uh, her uncle lives up here. Elvis, you know Elvis?
Yeah.
Okay, that's her uncle.
Si Ilbes, tsaka yung asawa ko, tsaka chewin niya.
Yeah. So that's
My
that's.
husband, uncle, Ilbes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So
Ba't
so
tawag nito? Mag-ano sila?
Ay, ano sila, mag-cousin.
Oo. Tapos ikaw naman, ano ka ni Ilbes?
Pamangkin.
Pamangkin.
Yung mama ko tsaka si Yoyo, magkapatid.
Okay. Parang ano ka na, parang ano, apo ka na ng asawa ko sa mga
Oo.
na, tuhod-tuhod na.
Tuhod-tuhod na.
several roasters here.
Wala yan kasi Ilbes ngayon niya.
It's very
Ano sa
common that
Zambales?
they have these cockfights here. And
Wala pa.
here we got another one, little pretty one. Right.
Naggagawa, yung asawa ko naggagawa naman din ng bangka yun.
Ah,
Diyan sa likod.
He's looking at me.
Siya gumagawa ng mga bangka dyan. Ayun, may ginagawa nga siya dyan sa likod.
ito
Here
lahat.
we got one locked up with a hand.
Ah,
Yeah.
that woman, she said that,
okay.
her husband want to meet us over there.
Oh, okay. He wants to meet us over there. All right. So we go and say hi to everybody. If we can get around the corner here. Lady's apologizing for the dirt, and that's one thing I see here that's very dirty. And here we got some ducklings. Animals galore.
I'm sorry na.
Hey, it's all,
Very, very dirty.
yeah, I see that. It's dirty,
Yeah.
but you know what?
It's here.
Oh yeah,
It's my husband.
that's your husband,
Uncle
right?
Ilbes.
He's building boats.
Just,
He's a boat builder.
yeah. Para makilala ka naman.
He's building boats. Look at that. So you're glassing the inside.
Yes. Nag-ano ka daw, Yo? Oo, nagmamasilya ka daw. Yes.
I guess that's how they make it watertight.
Yeah.
So you're building boats for people? You build boats for people here? You build them or you build for yourself? Honey, I'm asking him if he's building boat and selling the boats.
Ano ka daw, naghimo ka daw bangka tapos imo daw ko babaligya. Or ginano ka la, kontrata lang paghimo. Isa contract.
Sa
Contract.
isang buwan,
Oh, okay.
50,000
Yeah. 1 month 50,000.
15.
15. 15,000.
15,000?
Yes.
Tapos sa'yo yung ano, mga gamit.
If you wanna if you want to build him a boat, you need to buy your own equipment, so he will build that boat.
Right. Yeah, and how do we get the boat to Samar?
I'm sure there's someone who built the boat over there.
Yeah. But he can't do it there. Or he can come down for a month and build it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
He built that one too.
Oh, he built that boat?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks good. Cool little boat. Let's see if we can see it here.
Yeah, maupay ko ang pagkagawa.
Yeah, there we can see it a little bit. So he built both of these boats here. They're looking nice. All right, so that was a quick little visit down at the harbor, and I got to talk to some distant relatives to Janice again.
I have a lot of relatives here.
A lot of relatives that came from,
Yeah, my
some
mother's
are,
side and my father's side.
yeah, on both mom and dad's side.
Yes.
All right. All right, so anyway, we got to talk to them a little bit. Apparently there was an effort made, what did he say, a few years back?
Yeah, there is a foreigner who voluntary
Tried,
try
tried,
to clean the beach.
tried to clean up the beach a little bit. His idea was to pay everybody that brought a sack of garbage
Yeah, 50 pesos.
50 peso. I think there is other ways to do it. They said that when they did that, the fishermen stopped fishing
Yeah.
because they got more money picking up garbage. So we will see what we can do with that.
I don't know where's the barangay. Here. I think in this way.
Where?
Barangay.
Barangay Hall. All right, but here's down the street. The curvy road goes up and down here. And we have done some motorcycle rides here earlier. And we're heading towards the Barangay Hall. One of Janice's cousins is actually part of the Barangay Police.
Yeah, my cousin.
Yeah, he's working as a Barangay Police here. So we're gonna go and see them.
Hello po.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? That's one thing that beats me, you know.
Yeah, Filipino are very friendly.
Friendly, happy.
Yeah. He call you Joe. Yeah, yo, Joe.
Living conditions are pretty tough, in my opinion. But you very rarely ever see anybody complain about it.
Yeah, they're smiling even they have a lot of problems.
Yeah.
We're all smiling.
All right, so let's walk up here and see if we can find the Barangay Hall. It's a hot day today. Whew. So did she say the Barangay Hall was up this way? Han?
Yeah. Be. Saan ba dito yung barangay? Barangay hall. Oh.
Pababa po dun sa. Dun na po yun.
Doon na yun. Sige, salamat.
Yeah, people have their little sorry stores. And down.
Pa dito. Sige.
Okay. So it's down this way.
Yeah.
All right, let's go down and see if we can find it.
Boy, be careful.
Where is it?
Oh, this is it? Oh.
Is it? I don't know.
Saan ba dito yung barangay?
It's down this? Down this way? Okay. It looked like the road is ending here, but I guess it wasn't. So let's go down here and see. Ah, yeah, I see it now. I see it now. Here. So this is the barangay hall. Yeah. Here. Where's your cousin?
He's inside.
Is he inside? Unless he is on patrol. All right, we just got done and sat down with the barangay captain here.
Yeah, it's nice to talk to them.
Yeah. And okay, here you go. We were almost here. You remember? We turned around here.
Yeah.
So Barangay St Francis, and the barangay hall is right up this way here. But for obvious reasons, we didn't film the meeting.
Yes, because it's not. We respect their privacy.
Yeah. Not only that, I think this the idea of going down and clean up this area when it comes to the beaches and stuff.
Yeah.
It is very. It's going to be a big project, but I think it can be done. And we are, again, I mentioned it before, I mentioned it again. If you have, as a subscriber, either on Facebook or YouTube, please put some replies or comments, what you think should be done, how it should be done, and we go from there. We are going to come back here Saturday. They do have a weekly cleanup, but
3 times a week.
And we're going to see what that is all about, and we're going to meet some other officials on Saturday and see how we can create some awareness of the cleanup. It's such a beautiful little community, and
the barangay captain is very nice.
Yeah, he was nice.
Yeah.
And I think they want it done, but they might need some input, and we're going to try to give them what we can. All right, so this is a wrap, guys, on this video. We will come back to Limay probably Saturday, and
to join the cleanup operation.
Yeah, join the local cleanup operation and do some blogging about that. But anyway, this is a wrap. God bless. Subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah.
And we go from there. Bye-bye.